Welcome to this video. I'll be showing you how to operate the camera code on the i.MX Rt1050 board. And my name is Ming. Before we start, we'll need the board with the camera module and the LCD screen along with the micro B cable. Connect it to J28 and your PC and we are good to go. We'll be needing the driver, which is the embed serial 16466. Click on it, click on this link, then download the latest driver. After that, go ahead and install it. Next, we'll need this WinRAR in order to extract out the folders that we'll be downloading later on. Go ahead and install this also. Choose the one suitable with your laptop. We will also need this IAR systems as we'll be running the code using this platform. Next, go to the NXP website and search for the board. We'll be downloading the code and the required software from here. Click on this link and click on documentation. Click on more. Then click on this link. This is a RAR type file. You will be redirected to a separate link. Accept it, and the file, and you'll be redirected to the loading screen where you have to log in before they allow you to install the file. After that, this will be the file that is downloaded. Right click and extract the files using WinRAR. And there you have it. Also, we'll need the header files where we will be able to find it at the NXP website. Go to Software and Tools. Click on the SDK Builder. You will be redirected to a separate page. Select Development Board. Now choose the board, i.MX, and this board, which is our board. Then click on Build SDK. Now ensure that it's the correct host and click on IAR. Add the software component and select all, and then save changes. Next, click Download SDK. You'll be required to log in before the website allows you to download. Click Next and Agree. Then you will have the zip file and extract all the files to your desktop. And there we have it. This is the camera code, and these are the header files. Now open this header files and copy all these 6 folders. Open the camera code folder. Click on CSI and paste all the folders you have just copied. After you are done, click on Boards. Click on the EVK i.MX Rt and driver examples and CSI. For this part, you can just choose the first one and click on IAR, and then click on the workspace file, which is this. Then you will open from the IAR Workbench Tools. Now click on the Download and Debug. After it's done, press F5 on your keyboard. Then the program will start running on your device. There you have it. See? That's me. Thank you for watching this video. Goodbye.